Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to our Django course introduction video. If you are looking to master Django and build powerful web application, you are in the right place. And I am excited to be your instructor for this comprehensive Django course. I have been working with Django for last 1.5 years and I am here to share my all tips and tricks I have learned along the way. Django is a high-level Python web framework that allows you to build robust and scalable web applications quickly and efficiently. Known for this, better is included philosophy. Django comes with lots of built-in features to help you to get your project up and running fast. Please watch this is if you have any queries, please comments below, and if you have any queries, comment below. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, share. If you have any queries, please comment below. Thank you.